So I just continue on because the Ramagal is quite busy, but you can see this is the Ramagal doors. Ramagal wooden floors and doors here in Tabunok, Talisay, Cebu. So continue on. I will have to continue now because before all the traffic will be so much. We'll just walk on this side here. And you can see there's a door place, glass doors and aluminum doors firm here. We'll continue walking. We're now nearing the market of Tabunok, Talisay, Cebu. So this is the Simbahon Medical Clinic. It's now almost 4 o'clock. I have to get out of here now before the rush hour at 5 o'clock. 4 to 5 o'clock it will start. So I have to go where I park in Gaisano, Tabunok. There's another lumber construction place here. So a lot of this lumber area can be found here in Talisay City. That's where I have canvassed some of the wood prices. And there's a habal, was this bicycle driver. And as you can notice, the roads, there is no pathway. I'm here walking where the ditch is. And this is St. Joseph Chapel here in Tabunok. You can see all the candle lighting ladies is in the side. And this is the church. This is St. Joseph Market. St. Joseph the Worker Parish. And it's hard to go to church here if you have vehicles. They only got limited space parking underneath the church. So a lot of merchants on the side, but the poor sidewalk is what you can notice, that you will be joining on to the traffic, because even though there is provided pathways, the businesses or the people is using the pathways like that one. So that's the Tabunok Public Market over there. And that's the overpass. Drive over, go straight on. Underneath is the crossing to other places in Tabunok. So look at our pathways here. You need to watch yourself, or you go in the ditch or in a manhole. So a food place is near to a vulcanizing place. And a lechon seller next to a clothes seller. So it's not regulated. But one thing that you notice around here, it's all clean. This path and even pathways, it's very clean. So we're now going to the crossing, and I'll go straight, just looking for a chance to cross. Look at the lady there, just crossing. We're going through, wading through the different. There's no officers here that can stop the traffic. We need to wade through, otherwise you'll be waiting forever. Yeah, I'll have to wade through myself. The vehicles will just stop looking at you. So you got a fruit vendor next to the clothes vendor, and this uneven pathways. Shoes, bags. You have to turn back if there's nobody behind you before you swerve on the side to get away from the taxi that just parked on the corner. Then you continue on to the crooked pathway. 9 out of 10 you'll be walking on the street like most people do. The traffic have now started to build up. So going through, this one is an open ditch. So we go in the road, obviously. Open ditch, open manholes. So it's really hard if we don't have proper pathways for the pedestrians. Although one thing good is it's always clean up here in Talisay City. The pathways are ridiculous. Oh my gosh. It's also slanting, so you need to be careful when you walk. And it's uneven. You got holes in between, and you see the traffic build up here. So the traffic lights here in Talisay are also numbered. You have to wait for the number to go 0 and green. Unlike in Cebu City, you just have to watch out for the lights to go green. See, look at the pathway. Very dangerous. So I'm back here in the Tabunok, crossing over.